Welcome to our video tutorial. Today, we'll be discussing how to connect your Android device to Edurom and troubleshooting common issues you might encounter. Let's start by understanding what Edurom is. It's an educational software platform that allows you to access a wide range of learning resources on your device. It's designed to be user-friendly, but like all technology, it can sometimes present challenges. Now, let's talk about how to connect your Android device to Edurom. First, you need to download the Edurom app from the Google Play Store. Once it's installed, open the app and enter your login details. If you're a new user, you'll need to create an account. Sometimes, you might experience issues when trying to connect your Android device to Edurom. One common issue is the connection error message. This usually happens when your internet connection is unstable or not strong enough. Another common issue is the invalid login details error. This typically occurs when you enter incorrect login details. It's crucial to ensure that your username and password are correct and that the caps lock is off. In conclusion, connecting your Android device to Edurom is a straightforward process. However, if you encounter any issues, remember to check your internet connection and login details first. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.